Say hi, everybody. Tell everybody what you're eating. Pumpkin. You tried pumpkin for the first time yesterday. Got him excited. Yeah, you like it. Say, mmm. Mmm. It's yummy, yummy. We actually bought a cute little pumpkin. As you can see, we washed it. Right, Ricco? We took out all the seeds, washed them, and then we baked them. He doesn't really like the seeds for some reason, but the pumpkin, it seems to be a hit. Right, Ricco? You like it? Look at your dirty mouth. Yeah, you like it. It's good? Is that good? Mm-hmm. Say yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Okay, you go enjoy your pumpkin, okay? Say bye, everybody.